Okay, so let's pretend that mark that I just made is the wall and we're trying to bend around a corner, okay? So I'm gonna square that directly downwards, and then I'm gonna 45 it away from my piece. We're always going away from our piece, right? We're gonna square all these lines up. It looks like a lot of marks, boys. It's really not that complicated. It's literally 2 45s away from the break and a center point. The first mark we're gonna cut is right down Main Street. Second mark, that's the mark we made on the wall. We're gonna give ourselves about a 1/4 inch to cut that 45 out. Now this is important. You're gonna wanna leave on a little tab here, about a 1/4 inch, and you'll see why after. Now we're gonna cut out the center right up to the break. Now this is important, boys. You wanna make this cut, this is your 45. You wanna make this nice and clean. And I absolutely butchered it making this video, but that's okay. We only do 1 takes. I don't take twice. I was also using those snips to cut Hardy a few videos ago, so. Now we're gonna do a little pizza cut, I like to call it. We're gonna take that right out to our line. Again, my snips are just brutal, so we're gonna wiggle that out. That's embarrassing. We'll fold that around with our hand. Now it's basically like origami, boys. You just fold that into itself. It all just kind of locks together. The reason I left that little tab on now, like I like to fold that up now after it creates a little water tab, you know what I'm saying? Next question.